Hello everybody, this is Sheikh DJ. So today I'm going to talk about our Pygame project, which is very simple project where we created a purple color window and the red shape circle as our player, which is easily moved with the help of the arrow keys. This is the code simply. The player position, the player direction, and the player speed. Okay. This is the part where we draw this our player on each plane. This is the part where we handle the direction of our player. This is the part where we normalize the direction of our player. Okay, and this is the part where we update the position of our player, which is actually the center of our circle, the player. Okay, but it has some issues. Let me just show you. Okay, as you can see, we are able to move outside of our screen, which we want to prevent. In Pygame, we have a built-in function, but we are gonna first create us from scratch first. Okay, for that we need to write something. I think I will need an extra variable, which is the player radius. Okay, player radius 90, which it should be float actually, but I don't care. Okay, so if player position dot x minus the 90, which is the player radius, smaller than 0. Let me just show you what is actually happening. Okay, this is our screen. This is the player, and this is the 90 position, and it will be 90 minus 90. The player position dot x equal become to 0. Okay. If I try to run this, I think it will. Okay, I have wrote something wrong here. Okay, player underscore radius should be written here. Okay, as you can see, we are preventing it from moving left side of our screen. Let's just copy this, and for the right side, okay, let's change this to plus, change this the greater than symbol, and the screen dot get width minus player radius. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, let's just copy all of this to and change this to y, change this to get underscore height. Okay, so as you can see, our player is unable to move outside of our screen, but in Pygame we have built-in function which is called as clamp underscore ip. But for that we need to make changes to our code also, like we cannot use the Pygame draw directly. What is currently happening, we are removing the circle, drawing the circle again and again on every frame. What we need to do is to create a new screen layer on the top of our screen, and create a circle and move like this from position to position. In this case, we are not drawing the circle again and again, but instead we are drawing a layer which is already drawn once. Okay, it's a kind of a transparent layer which we draw once and put it like a sticky note on our screen. Okay, and we will call like a player surface, the player underscore surface, and it become Pygame dot surface. Then the width and height, player radius times 2, player radius times 2, width and height, which is 180 by 180 rectangle. Okay, in pixel format. And we need an extra flag, Pygame dot src and src alpha, all capital. It by this it will, our background, the surface will become a transparent. Let's copy this and change this screen to player surface because we are drawing on the surface now. And the position, the player radius, which is the center of our player surface. Okay, let's I think I will need an coordinates also, like the uh, box of our rectangle, our surface. Let's go with the player underscore surface dot get rect. Okay, so let me just explain this on Escalator. Okay, so we are like selecting all this and moving that position. Okay, the coordinates, let me just read, player underscore rect. So we are just updating the position of our rectangle, of our layer. And let me this is the like a whole box we have selected at once. Let me just copy this and let me just show you the use directly. Remove the all of this. Okay. Player rectangle dot center will become the tuple of player pause dot x and player pause dot y. Okay, it will update the center of our player rectangle. Okay, but we need to draw this also. Let me just remove this now because we are not drawing on each every frame. We are just gonna put it like a sticky with the help of screen.bleed. What we gonna put player surface and the position will be player underscore it. Okay, on each frame we will just put it like a sticky notes and as per the position of player rectangle. Okay, changing the position of the center of our rectangle. Let's go. Pygame.main product. Okay. As you can see, but our goal was to make it unable to move outside of the window. For that, we need to write it like this: player rectangle dot clamp underscore IP and the boundary rectangle. The screen get underscore rect. Screen is also a surface, so we can get the rectangle of our screen also here. But we might need it again in future, so we are just gonna create a variable screen underscore rect is equal to screen dot get rect. Okay, so I'm gonna use that variable instead, screen underscore rect. So what is happening, this part of section of our code does not allow our player rectangle to go outside of the boundary rectangle we have passed. It does not allow that. Let me just show you. Okay, it's unable to move outside, but if I am trying to make it downside, taking multiple input, yeah, because the player position is not being updated, so we need to update the player position also again. The player pause dot update and the rectangle dot center updated center position to the player pause also. Okay, we can just put okay only once. We need to move everything here. Okay, as you can see, we are able to move everywhere on our screen, but we are unable to move outside of the screen. This is the code I have created, and I will put the link of the branch of this code in my description also. But and let me just update this comment also. Draw player surface on the screen like a sticky notes. Okay, but as of now this code has become too much like unclean, I can say. We will try to clean this code with the help of the class, the object-oriented programming, you can say, and the sprites in future video. Let me just commit everything to the GitHub. I'm gonna create a branch for this also as per my last two videos and put the link to the description. If you have any questions, you can just ask me in the comments. Git branch. I think my keyboard is not working fine. Git branch Madison. Okay, I'm gonna add the branch and write a link in the description. Bye. Have a good day. If you like the video, please like the video. Have a good day.